Originality AI review. In this video, we will take a look at Originality AI detection to see if it's accurate as they boldly claim on their website, and also to help you make an informed decision. Since this is a review, I will show you everything you need to know about this AI detection platform. I'll drop the link in the description box. That's my affiliate link. After watching this video, if you find it convincing, you can just use it. And by the way, you will get 50 credits just like I have here. Hopefully by the time you'll be watching this video, this promo is still running. When you sign up, this is the dashboard, and you're gonna have your credit here or whatever you have remaining for the month. On your left, you have the dashboard, which is what I'm on, and content scan. That's how you're gonna get your start new scanning. When you click on it, you're gonna get the detect AI content. So you can click here to open the box, which is this. At the same time, when you go to the dashboard and you click on the detect AI content sub button, you're gonna come to the content box where you have to scan your content. Let's go back to content scanner. Content scan displays your previous scans. That's the check-in, the detection you've done. You have tags. You can use tags to organize your contents, which is the content scans. And you have a website scanner. Website scanner, when you click on it, as you can tell, I don't have anything yet. Currently, you can scan up to 1,000 pages. So let's say if you want to scan a particular website, you're going to copy the link and drop it here and scan. This is how the writing platforms like medium.com, vocal, eToro.com, and Quora, this is how they are tracking blog posts and stuff like that. And even if you are into YouTube automation and you outsource your script, you can use Originality AI to detect if your freelancer or your writer or whoever it is has generated a content from any AI tool like ChatGPT and stuff like that. Trust me, most companies, industries, and agencies are using this tool, which is the Originality AI. Let me just close this. You have your team. This is good for a company, or if you have a team that you work with, they have access depending on the plan you have. They can log in and just do what they need to do. And you have your API access, and on top you have your settings. And as an affiliate, which is what I am, I'll earn $25 on a recurring commission. Please, you can use my link to sign up. On top of that, these are support emails. That's all you need to know about the interface. I'm gonna go back to dashboard. We're gonna start working. We can use this or we can use this. If I want, I can just S off. I can close this box and it's gonna be left with just this. So I'll show you what I mean. I can close this and I have only this. So if I want to scan, I can just go to start new scan. That's how you toggle between the menus. First, let's go to ChatGPT, and at the moment I'm using the free version, which is 3.5. If you're on the paid version, you can use the GPT-4. Let me prompt ChatGPT to write us a simple blog post. I'll say write a blog, 700 words blog post on how to make money online as a teenager. I'm gonna add what people think makes a difference, but through my research, I can tell you it doesn't make any difference. It will say use conversational tone, humor, informative. And make sure it passes AI detection. And I say that's informative. I'm gonna keep it like this, and I'll just click the arrow to start. Let's see how much it's gonna give us. It has generated 8 points. Unleash your teenage entrepreneur spirit, making money online fun. But I don't like the title. If I have to, it's always good to check on Google or YouTube to come out with a better title. This one I will change it if I have to post this blog. Hey there, savvy teenagers, blah blah. Anyhow, we don't need to read everything. I'm gonna copy from here down. People think when ChatGPT add this emoji, it makes a difference, but it doesn't. Trust me. Right click, copy. We're gonna go back here and drop it just the way it is, and we're gonna scan it to see. Now, once you drop your content, you have to make sure you are okay with the stuff that it's gonna check, which is detect AI, check plagiarism and readability, fact checking aid. I have 597 words. It's gonna cost me 12 credits. But if I take off this, which in most cases you don't really need it, there are other free softwares out there that you can use to check plagiarism and readability. This one, small SEO tools, they have AI detection and all these things, but trust me, they are not the best. But I'll drop it here and I'll check I'm not a robot and check plagiarism. Yeah, this for plagiarism, you don't need to worry that much. Any free tool can check. It has detected 3 matches from 3 sources, and these are the sites. Let's go back to Originality and we're gonna scan it. Yeah, you can tell I just did this free instead of using my points, because if I click this, it's gonna be 6 more points out of my 48. I don't want that. That's why I use free versions. Let's scan it, and this, as you can tell, is 100% AI, and you can tell it has deducted from my previous credits. I have 1841 left. Yeah, the proof is in the pudding. Let's use another tool, which is content at scale. I use this, but it's so limited and it's not free anymore. Let's drop this. See, it's $49 a month, and I want to pay that. And also, it's up to 2,500 characters. Mine is 3,733 characters, not the words. This is like everything, including the space, the full stop, everything. It's gonna scan up to wherever it thinks will stop. Let's say it can take off, let's say something from the conclusion or whatever, but this I can do that another spin. But let's check to see what's going on, and hopefully it's gonna prove to us that this is AI detection. I no longer use content at scale because of something like this. It says pass as human, and we all know this is not true. And I'm beginning to think, because this is a free version, if you're on the pro version, let's go to pricing. Come on, man. See, low volume, high volume, I don't know what the heck is that. $39 a month. What is this one? Oh, if you wanna go annually, maybe. Yeah, $39 a month. And for agencies and stuff, I think this is good. But as you can tell, I don't know what's the secret, but I know this is not for me. Let's go back, and I'm gonna use articles from Google to check. Let's go to Google, and I'll say how to make money as a teenager. This is it. This is the article ranking right on Google. We're gonna use it. Hopefully it's not that heavy. Oh my. This is a long article, but for the sake of this tutorial, I'm not gonna copy everything. I'm gonna use just a few of them, because if not, it's gonna run my credits a lot. Let's copy up to here. Right click, copy. And as long as it's ranking number 1 on Google, I'm pretty sure this is human generated. It's gonna use 3 credits, which is good, 291. If I have to use everything, trust me, it's gonna run my credit like crazy. And these are some of the things we have to go through to bring you good content. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And you can use my affiliate link as well. Let's scan it. Click scan again. Hopefully this will not take long. Bam! See, this is 99% original content and 1% AI. You can tell everything is green. Everything is green. 1%, sometimes they might have to maybe reference something from somewhere or whatever. But 99%, that should tell you originality is good. I'm gonna check the plagiarism to see what it's gonna say. So drop it here, check. This is Google Ads, and that's how they make their money. Check for plagiarism. Hopefully it's not gonna take long, because sometimes it does. Like, it's annoying. It says 100% plagiarism, and for sure, we all know that I copied from a website and I drop it here to check. This was posted December 5th, 2023. Obviously, it's gonna be 100% plagiarism. That should tell you that this tool is not bad, but my advice is you can use this to check for plagiarism. Just not gonna waste all your credits. Yeah, because the most important thing is AI detection, but plagiarism is good too. You need to make sure you stay out of it. That you can use free tools. Is Originality AI good or bad? I would say it's good, it's accurate, they know what they are doing. This AI detection tool is the best on the market. There are a bunch of AI detection tools out there that are not good. They are not accurate, but for Originality, trust me, it's accurate. That's why this should be one of your AI tools that you need to use. If you're a blogger, content creator, even if you create video for YouTube, before you write your script, please, you need to check. And also, if you write for writing platforms like medium.com, vocal, eTool.com, and stuff like that, obviously they will check your articles before they will approve you. And remember, on Google, they are okay as long as your content is valuable to the reader, but I know there's a way to tweak things. I'll use another article. Let's go back, and I'll go back here. Let's try another one. I'm gonna go to a proper article. Close this. Yeah, let me just I'll use this content. I don't want to waste all my credit. For the sake of this tutorial, I have to. I'll open another. This time I'll click from here, start new scan. They are all the same. Now, this is one thing you have to be very careful to take it off. They check plagiarism and readability. Trust me, it's gonna drain your credit. Control V to paste. Now, 134, and it's gonna use 2 credit, but if I add plagiarism, it's gonna 1 more, it's gone. And fact checking 8, it takes a lot. This thing takes 12 out of 134. That's crazy. Alright, let's scan and see how original is this article. It is 100%. This should tell you that originality is the best. And most articles ranking on Google, they've been doing this for long. They are not generating content from AI softwares and stuff like that. This is my advice. When you check for AI detection content and originality and you have green, trust me, it's good. Now, the second thing, go to this tool and check for, for plagiarism. Use this tool because it's free. Now, let me do one more test to prove something. Let's go back here and I'll copy Ctrl C and I'll go back here and I'll try and check for AI detection with this tool. Let's see, because remember with Originality AI, it was 100% AI. Let's see what this thing will say. I know it's slow, but see, it says human written content. This is why I told you Originality AI to me is the best on the market, because when we checked previously, let me show you that scan my content. Let's go back to the archives. Let's go in. As you can tell, this same article, Originality says is 100% AI, which is accurate. But when you go to small SEO tools, it says 99.97, which is false. Because you saw it. I generated this article from ChatGPT right in front of you. This should tell you most free versions for AI detection not good. Originality is the best that I can recommend. I have the link in the description box. Let me show you something. Use this only for plagiarism check. But when it comes to AI detection, Originality is the way to go. Let's go back. And as you can tell, my credit has reduced. This is it. Please make no mistake. You need Originality AI to run your online business successfully. Since you know that this is good, let's check the price. As you can tell, it's $30 one time for 3,000 credits or $14.95 per month. You get 2,000 credits for this. If you want the lifetime deal, you can go with this and it's gonna expire in 2 years. But trust me, you exhaust this thing in no time. That's why it's good to be on the monthly basis. But if you wanna test the waters, you can use this one. Let's dive down to pros and cons. For pro, it's accurate just as they claim. It's really good. It scans the article fast, meaning you don't have to wait forever to get the result. But the con is that it's not free. I don't think it's free because there's no free version here, and to some people they cannot afford these prices. But hey, if you are in for business, you have to do your best to invest to get a good ROI. I'll drop the link in the description box. You can use it. That's my affiliate link. Thanks for using it. And also don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, because I'll be coming up with a tool on the market that you can use to pass or to bypass AI detection. Thanks for your time.